Strange noises during a United Airlines flight prompts an emergency landing in Texas. The flight took off last night from Houston on its way to Ecuador. About an hour into the flight, crew members reported hearing noises coming from the cargo hold and thought it might have been a person in there. As a precaution, the plane turned around and landed back in Houston, but nothing suspicious was found. United Airlines said the noise was likely just a maintenance issue. The 163 passengers were then transferred to another plane.